In this video, you'll learn how to create a daily timetable using Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a structured schedule to help manage your tasks effectively. Begin by navigating to Notion in your web browser. Once you reach the Notion homepage, sign into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you will be directed to your workspace where you can see existing pages and databases. Now, look for the option to create a new page, which is typically located in the left sidebar. Click on the New Page button to start. When the new page opens, name it Daily Timetable. This title will help you easily identify your schedule later. After naming the page, you will want to add a table database to help organize your timetable. To do this, select the table option from the available blocks. Once the table is inserted, you should see columns for name and tags by default. Click on the column headers to rename them according to your needs. Change name to time, tags to task, and you can add another column titled Priority. This structure will ensure your timetable is clear and easy to read. Next, it's time to fill in your daily schedule. Start by entering time slots into the time column. You can use a format like 8 a.m., 9 a.m., and so on, depending on your daily routine. After you have outlined the time slots, assign specific tasks to each corresponding time in the task. If certain tasks require reminders, consider adding them in a separate column or using Notion's reminder feature. Ensure that the tasks you assign are realistic and achievable within the given time frame. This careful planning is crucial to building an effective daily plan. Once you have populated your timetable, take a moment to review it before finalizing. Look for any potential conflicts or time overlaps in your schedule. Make adjustments as necessary to create a balanced day. After your timetable is set, the next step involves maintaining it regularly. Every morning, check your timetable to ensure you are on track. If plans change, adjust your tasks accordingly. It's important to mark completed items clearly, which can help in tracking your progress throughout the day. Avoid overloading your schedule to maintain productivity and reduce stress. As you continue to use your timetable, consider archiving old schedules at the end of each week. This practice allows you to keep your workspace on and helps you reflect on your accomplishments. With these steps, you will have a functional and efficient daily timetable that supports your productivity. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial